Good morning, students of class 6. Today I am teaching you chapter 4, Enhancing a Presentation. In this chapter, we will understand very attractive information about PowerPoint. Animation effects. Animation effects means to give motion in any object. Here in animation is a visual effect added to the objects on a slide. Any object, suppose we are creating here, I am showing you. Click here and click on new and click on the blank presentation and then click on create button. This first click on add title. Here I am giving title class 6. Okay, class 6, and in subtitle I am writing here chapter 4. Class 6 chapter 4. So now I will take one object from here. I will take one object in the insert, come to the shape option and take any object which you like. Okay, I am taking this star and create here. Okay, and I am just making it attractive. Double click on this, then it's this stars all properties you can see on the top. I'm giving here one color in the star, attractive color in the 3D effect, and here I'm just giving anything. We can set picture or gradient also. Just I am giving gradients also. Okay, in this gradients, now you see come to the animation option. Okay, in the animation we can take any animation. Suppose this animation, here animation is given. Click on custom animation and at the right side you see add effects, and just we will click on spin one and we will set timing here. We will set here the timing. We will give until next click. Okay, it will continually rotating until we will not stop it. Okay, play and see. So this is our object, and we can see this by pressing F5. Okay, F5 we can see this, and it will be moving continuously until we are not pressing next button. So like this we can give attractive animation effects in our presentation. Press escape button to quit presentation. Next, in the presentation we can set many options, animation like timing, all that, duration, delay, and here you see next I have written class 6 with the help of word art. With the help of word art I have written this class 6, and now you see how to set animation effects here. So our class 6 is selected. Go to the add effect, and now you can take a grow, shrink, spin, and change font style, and then do playing. After playing you will see, press next button, the font style will be changed. Select and grow and shrink. grow and shrink and play. Click on play. Okay, this one the first and this one second. It is growing. Okay, so this many facts are here, we can apply, and timing so that I have told you. Next we will understand slide transition. Slide transition means, suppose we have two slides in a slide pen, two slides we have. Okay, in this both slide we have to set slide transition, how our slide will move at the time of showing presentation. Okay, so you pay attention this, how go to the animation. Okay, in the animation and in this ribbon you please pay attention, all these are the transitions, slide transitions. Okay, so see, it will show you preview when we will click on we will hold mouse button on the particular transition. It will show you movement of slide in the different directions. Okay, suppose this one. Okay, and here for more click on this button, and after this I have selected this one. Okay, so we will play this. This is the style I have given in this slide, and in this slide we have to give again different types of transition, slide transition. Okay, this slide transition I am taking here, this one. Okay, and play this. So in the both I have given different types of transition. After this we have to do one thing, we have to show the presentation by pressing F5. Students, you know very well, by pressing F5 button we can show the presentation. Now see, first slide movement you have seen. Okay, and then when I will click next, then first object animation is showing, and when I will click next click button, then it will show class 6 is just embossing. Okay, or shrinking, and then when I will next click, after this that slide transition has come, and next slide and click. This is increasing font size. After that the slide, we can close this slide. So slide transition, I hope you understand. By clicking on the animation tab, many slide transitions are available. Anyone you can apply, and very convenient method is given here. You have plates in which all the slide transitions are available. You can apply any desired slide transition in your presentation, and you can make your presentation attractive. Thank you very much, student. I will teach you in the next video next thing.